Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option that says Buy/Sell on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Buy/Sell option. Now, select the asset you're going to buy. Click the right arrow on the Buy field to select. Then the list of assets will appear. Locate for Shiba Inu and click on it. Now, select the payment method. Click on the right arrow on the Pay with field. Then click on the payment method you wish to use. But if you haven't added any payment method yet, click on the Add Payment Method option. Then follow the on-screen instructions on how to add a payment method. Then, enter the amount of crypto you wish to buy. After entering the amount you wish to buy, click on the Preview Buy button. There you will see the summary of your transaction. Review the following details, and if everything looks good, click on the Buy Now button. That's how you buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.